What if daddy was right? What if there's no forever? Would you kiss me goodnight so that I could remember? Keep you frozen in time like they do in pictures. And if I close my eyes, would I still think of patience? Stay with me, don't disappear. To tell the truth, I need you here. I'm afraid, can barely breathe. I need you to comfort me. Say goodnight.